Today I'm going to show you how to make this professional looking bread that everyone will think that you bought from a bakery shop with simple tools and ingredients. For this recipe, all you need is 375 grams of all-purpose flour, 120 grams of black olives, 1.5 cup of lukewarm water, 3/4 cup of lukewarm milk, 7 grams of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon honey or sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but if your olives have added salt, you can skip it, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. First things first, chop the olives into small pieces, because it's important that they release all that juice in order to give a nice brown color to our bread. On a mixing bowl, add all the dry ingredients, then add the honey, milk, and water. Use your stand mixer if you have. If not, you can use your hand, spatula, or whisk to mix the ingredients. Once the ingredients are all incorporated, the dough should look like this. It's runnier than the usual bread dough, and that's the secret to get that spongy and moist bread. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and a kitchen cloth and place it in a warm place. After 1 hour, the dough rises and doubles in volume, and it forms bubbles on top. Sprinkle generously some flour on your countertop. Place the dough over it and start bringing the sides to the center as shown using a dough scraper. With the same tool, cut the dough into 6 pieces. I wanted to make them look all equal in size, that's why I weighed them. Every part was about 140 grams, but you can skip this part. Start rolling the dough parts and shape them into balls, then place them on a baking tray covered with a parchment paper. Once you finish, cover them with a kitchen cloth and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Before placing it to the oven, score your bread using a bread lame or a sharp knife. Then place the tray on a preheated oven to 430 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until golden. And here's your spongy, soft, fresh bread, ready to enjoy for breakfast or a sandwich. If you like this recipe, subscribe for more.